Hi, superstars. All right, so today we're talking about how to make your goals for 2025 a reality. All right, so we've talked about how to create your goals, how to set realistic goals. But next, there are things you need to do in order to make these goals a reality. All right, so first on the list is that you need to unfollow a lot of people. Okay, on your way to vision, on your way to your dream, there are always lots and lots of things, lots of distractions, lots of people on the road. As in, when you're driving on the road, you tend to see lots of other pedestrians, people going here, people going there, people going towards different directions. Okay, so first you need to stop every form of distraction. You need to follow people who are going in the same direction with you. All right, you have to unfollow yourself from groups that are not relevant to what you want to attain. Okay, imagine you want to start a food business. You are following irrelevant gossips on social media. It shouldn't be so, okay? If you have a goal, you need to be focused. You need to read about what you want to do. You need to study about what you want to do. Okay, so that means you have to unfollow irrelevant vlogs, okay, and focus on following vlogs that have to do with your goal. All right, if you want to go into food business, follow food platforms, business platforms, platforms that will motivate you, that share the same dream and vision with you. Okay, my superstars, next you have to have that person who's going in the same direction with you. Okay, so I have this amazing friend that is into content creation and shares the same ideas with me. Whenever I share anything with her, she motivates me. Okay, and if it's not good enough, she'll tell me, no, don't do it this way, do this, do that. And whenever I do it, it works out very, very well. So I do not joke with her. Okay, and in our journey to money making, she gives me fantastic ideas. Whenever she sees anything, she'll tell me, oh, idea, have you seen this, have you tried this? And I'll try it out and it works out. Okay, so those are the type of people you need in your circle on your way to your dream, on your way to your goals. Okay, you need people who share the same vision with you, same ideas with you. Okay, so people you can rub minds with, people where you're in your darkest moment, you run to and they hold you up, they encourage you. Those are the type of people you need 2025. Okay, people that will hold your hands and tell you this is the way. People that whenever they see something good will call you and tell you, ID Como, have you seen this? Try this. Okay, those are the type of people you need in your circle. All right, you need to unfollow those people that laugh, gimmick, and talk about irrelevant gist. Okay, people that tell you irrelevant things, people things that do not matter and do not add to your life, people that waste your time wasters. You need to unfollow them 2025. Okay, I'm not saying you should do away with friends. We all need friends in our life, but you need to focus more on people who will help you attain goals. All right, and next you have to be consistent. Whatever it is you are doing in this year 2025, you have to be consistent. Don't give up, my superstars. When I started this channel, it wasn't easy. For so many months I had very low followers, very low views. I remember so many times I was discouraged, and this my friend, like I told you, will keep encouraging me. ID, you can do it, you can do it. She kept giving me ideas and all that, and suddenly it picked up, it became good, and here you are, my superstars. Here we are, my superstars. So you don't have to give up, you have to be consistent. If you check out on this channel, I've made more than 300 videos. All right, okay, that's consistency. You have to be consistent, keep showing up no matter what in that business. Keep pushing, keeps pushing harder, and it will come to pass. Okay, my superstars. And finally, my superstars, you have to be accountable. You have to tell yourself the truth, that you are responsible for everything that is happening in your life. You don't have to blame anyone for anything. You have to take full responsibility for whatever is happening in your life. If you're not making money, it's your fault. If you're not making sales, it is your fault. For that failed relationship, it is your fault. You have to take responsibility this year. You don't have to blame anyone, okay? I know when I always blamed people for the things that happened in my life. I was not happy. I was angry at everyone. I was grumpy and I was not productive. The moment I learned to forgive and to take responsibility for everything, to see how to come out of whatever situation I found myself in, to see how to go forward, how to advance. I took responsibility for my happiness. I didn't leave my happiness to other people. I made sure I took responsibility for my happiness. I made myself happy by all means. Okay. That was when I realized that I became productive. I grew, I increased, and that is how it has been. I became healthy and happier. All right. So this year you have to be accountable for everything that happens in your hands, in your life. You don't have to leave your happiness for anyone. You don't have to leave your business for anyone. Oh, she didn't tell me I should do this. That's why my business is not making profit. She didn't say I should sell to these people. She didn't say I should add this to my recipe. That's why it's not sweet. No, you have to be responsible, accountable for everything that happens in your life. By doing that, you realize that you will grow, you will increase, and you will make progress 2025. Okay, my superstars. All right, everyone, have you had value? Please let me know in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. All right, I trust that this year 2025 will be an amazing year for you. All right, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I will get right back to you. What content would you love us to do in this year? All right, it's a new year and I know lots of people have things they're looking forward to. Write it in the comment section. What is it that's been bothering you? Write it in the comment section. I trust that I'll be of help. All right, my superstars, if you have you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.